Hi again. So last week I did my first outside vlog, I guess. That was a lo-fi setting, simple setup, put the camera up, trying to get it into a perfect position so you won't see up my nose. But yeah, it's a simple setup, no script, just some random thoughts I wrote down to be somewhat structured. No major setup, just me in the car yapping. And this might be my new thing for the rest of the vlogs because it was super easy to edit. I went for another walk today. I was supposed to go this weekend, but it was going to rain, so I was going to skip and wait for next week to get my mile in. But it's raining all weekend, so today was a good day to do it. I was going to skip it, but someone said go ahead and recharge that melanin. But today was a good day for a nice walk. Today I was listening to my Spanish lessons. I'm trying to be at least conversational in Spanish by the end of the year. And that's only going to be done if I practice. I'm trying to do more miles so I can start doing the 5K, I don't know, what is it called? 5K couch to run, or couch to run 5K, or whatever it's called. I'm trying to do that so I can do my first 5K run this year. So that's the goal. And I've been struggling because I had a problem with my knee from busting my ass, and it's finally healing. So I guess I'm ready to level up and start preparing for my 5K. So yeah, finally finished Feel Good Productivity. I have some notes that I need to organize and see if I could come up with a video idea for it, or maybe just do another vlog saying the lessons I learned from that book. So after months of talking about it, I finally finished. This week was better than the last few weeks health-wise, so I was able to get shit done. I also did some tutorials on OBS. I'm putting together a new setup, like setting it up like the streamers do, with me in the corner giving tutorials or whatever the video topic is going to be about. So that's going to be my new setup. I feel like I can do another mile. If you see this part, then that means I went to go do another mile, because I feel like I can do another mile. But yeah, so I got the OBS set up for videos, for the next videos. For DaVinci Resolve, I nerded out all week. I got mad notes. I downloaded the manual. I'm organizing all my notes to come up with a cheat sheet so I could just put on the side of my monitor and just start practicing what I learned from all those tutorials. I lost count how many videos I watched. I'm saving the color grading, the color page, Fusion, and Fairlight. I'm saving those three pages for later, but I just went through like a crash course to learn the basics, all the project settings and everything for YouTube videos. But watching all those tutorials gave me an idea to start, I guess, start setting up my own lane to be known as the DaVinci Resolve girl, I guess. There's a big gap to fill in that lane. So I think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to start making some videos and tutorials, like the basics of everything you need to know, like what you need to know as a YouTuber if you're using DaVinci Resolve. If you're creating like tutorials, if you're coming from CapCut, because I used CapCut last year. I've been using DaVinci Resolve for like the past 6 months because I wasn't sure where CapCut was gonna fall with this TikTok ban. So I just started using DaVinci Resolve for that reason. And now, since I'm more comfortable with it, I could start teaching what I learned for YouTubers and creators, because not a lot of it's more based on like filmmaking and videography and all that stuff. So that'll be an area that I could fill in. So I'm excited about that, actually. All the ideas started coming up when I figured out, like, oh, I could fill in some gaps here for YouTubers. So expect to see more videos. Expect to see videos on DaVinci Resolve, and that's going to be also helpful for YouTubers, of course. And then for me, that's going to be helpful because that could lead to my services, lead to my traffic to my website and my services. So I'll repurpose the video and put it on my blog. Yeah, put it on my blog, and then I could just send traffic from the video to the blog, so it gets leads into and hopefully turn those into clients. So perfect timing after setting up my services, my new service. That'll be a good traction, I guess. So that's the OBS, that's the DaVinci Resolve, being hands-on with those two tools. That'll help me create better videos for YouTubers, and then that'll lead to hopefully traffic to my website and then to clients. So that's the goal for that. I did a lot this week. Good job. Compared to the last few weeks. For content-wise, I did a brain dump of video ideas for this channel. So I have 4 script outlines done. 2 of them are going to be fleshed out next week. The first one is the DaVinci Resolve, just a basic tutorial, which you need to know for DaVinci Resolve, just a quick tutorial. And then the other one is my redesign, how I redesign my website. The few tips I did learn from the tutorials, I could add it to the redesign video to jazz it up a little bit. So I hope I can record those 2 videos next week. Oh, also I got those ideas from doing I talked about the Blue Ocean Strategy book. What's his name? Steven from Diary of a CEO. He brought it up again. He brought up the Blue Ocean Strategy again in his last vlog last week. So I forgot about it, and I remembered to ask ChatGPT to do like in the same chat I did the redesign and a new service and a new signature and creating a new signature offer. I did the content ideas in the same chat using the Blue Ocean Strategy to come up with ideas, basically. And I got this idea from Ali Abdal to do like a level 2 and level 3 ideas. So basically that was surface level ideas. Let's move up to level 2 and level 3 ideas. And that came up with better ideas. So I have too many ideas now, which is a good problem to have, I guess. But I have too many ideas that I could work on. Another thing is I noticed the longer form videos on my channel are, I guess, well received. So I'm gonna start doing longer videos. When I compiled those mini lessons, those 5-minute lessons I did last year for the 30-day challenge, I compiled them into one, and then not thinking it was going to get any motion or anything, but I just bundled it up just to put it out there. But I noticed that longer form videos, like there's a few videos that were over 45 minutes, and those videos did better than those mini lessons. I'm going to try to see if I could, what was I trying to say again? I just lost my thought. I'm trying to see if I can get some, like a series of videos that's related that I could bundle up and compile it into one video that'll also boost my watch hours too. So I would probably do that for DaVinci Resolve videos. Oh yeah, that's what I was trying to say. The Blue Ocean Strategy. So I use that in ChatGPT to come up with ideas. I got some ideas, like some regular search-based ideas for reach, but I got some level 2 and level 3 ideas that could put me in the blue ocean, basically. I don't want to paraphrase it yet, so I'll do a voiceover of what exactly it is, the blue ocean versus red ocean, but you want to be in the blue ocean, basically. The blue ocean strategy is about creating a new market space, the blue ocean, instead of fighting for scraps in the saturated competitive one, the red ocean. You do that by offering unique value, removing unnecessary complexity, and focusing on what your ideal client actually wants, but isn't finding elsewhere. I use it for content ideas, but it also gave me tips on how to use it for my services. Yeah, I think I talked about this before, about the blue ocean strategy. And then I also talked about doing, if you need, that's actually another video idea, now that I think of it. If you need video ideas, you upload your table data from YouTube Studio, and then ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini, just like the surface levels idea, the regular ideas, and then you ask it to do level 2 and level 3 topics. And you could also do, another way to get ideas is to do a SWOT analysis. So based on the data, ask ChatGPT to analyze your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and get ideas from each section. And then that'll give you basically ideas for the rest of the year. At least 10 ideas from each section for each letter. If you do post weekly, that'll cover the rest of the year. You're not going to post every idea, but the ones that you do want to post, if you can get at least 25 ideas, that'll cover for the rest of the year. So yeah, I got the ideas for this channel, for channel 2, the Temple channel. So I'll do the blue ocean strategy to get more ideas, and then to pick and choose which ones I'm more excited about creating. I already have the course review scripted. I'll record it today, and then I'll also do since I'm all set up, I'll also do the intro videos finally for the language learning platforms. So for Preply, since I'm certified now, the topics I signed up for was content marketing, but now I want to focus more on the business English side and the tech side on there, because it's a lot of competition to do just basic English teaching. So I'm just gonna niche it down to business English and tech. So they said I need to do a new video, new intro video, since I'm changing topics. And the two intro videos, and well, not 2 intro videos, there's 1 intro video. I just need to switch out the company name. So that's 1 intro video, and then the course review. I'm going to get some pizza first, because I saw somebody eating pizza, and now that's what I want as a treat. This style vlog I'm more comfortable doing, because it's not a fancy setup or long script that I have to memorize. I'll just go with the flow. No clue why fully scripted videos are my thing when I'm at my desk, but when I'm outside, it's just regular yapping, and I like that. The end of next month, it'll be 13 weeks for this challenge, getting comfortable in front of the camera, and now it's a breeze where I can go just post whenever I have a thought or an idea. And this all started because of how I looked in the intro video for Preply. So now I'm going to feel more better recording the intro video. It's not scripted. I'm just talking to the camera like this for the video. So I'll pick 2 or 3 video ideas that I can record quickly for channel 2. Because I haven't uploaded in, it's going to be a month soon, so I haven't uploaded. I posted 3 videos, but I haven't uploaded it since then, and that's bad. If the goal was to monetize, I'm doing a shitty job already. So I'm going to make that a batch week to record all the videos. So the 2-3 videos for channel 2, and then the 2 videos for this channel, the DaVinci Resolve and the redesign. My battery's about to die, so that's the goal. 2 videos today, batch a bunch of videos next week. That's it for today. I'll see you next week, and hopefully I'll have batched some videos to post and share with you all. Thanks for watching. See you next week.